Huh?
Why does it sound so rowdy? That's because I think there's only brakes in the front at the moment. Usually on the track. Put it on the Mustang.
Oh yeah, shit. That's what makes you fast right there, bro.
Yeah, American racing.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute. I know. Well, first of all, you already know, but second of all, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute. I know we've been busting out stuff and trucks and whatever left and right for shows, and it's been relatively crazy. And by relatively crazy, I mean, all right, close enough for now. It's been very, very crazy. So if you could tell by the title already, you Ford people may or may not be happy with this one. First of all, here's the new unit. Welcome to the channel. Ford 7.3 liter Power Stroke extended cab long bed. First things first, I got a lot of questions to ask you guys in this video, so stay tuned, sit back, and just like number them in the comments for me and fill them all out. I mean, I got a lot of questions for you. Here is the new unit. Oh, she is spicy. I mean, by spicy, I mean decently spicy. All of this is pretty clean in here. Seats decent, not too bad. You won't believe this. I don't know if you saw the odometer already, but this thing's got 274,708 miles on it. Now you may be asking, Ryan, what are you doing? Hasn't been started since Thank you. Has not been started since last night. Here we go. Mirrors right up, door ajar, and no seat belt, so no dash lights. This thing is clean. DP tuner. I'm not gonna lie, she's quite the unit. And this is what's gonna surprise every last one of you. Every last one. So, I mean, first things first, Ford baby, welcome to the channel. This is my first Ford build, I can tell you that. And this thing, I can tell you, is a unit, straight unit. Don't worry about the door clanging, we gotta fix that somehow, or not. You guys aren't gonna really believe me, one, what I want to do with this truck, and two, some of you may be extremely upset when I show you this. First of all, as you can see, needs some cleaning up. I don't know what that horn, I think that's for an auxiliary, like, lock security system. Let me pull the hood again. There's definitely the parking brake, sorry. Now, beast your eyes, because a lot of you are probably gonna get really mad at me when I tell you what my original idea was with this. But just wait a second, because after seeing this unit for the last couple days, I might have some other plans. And also wait, because I gotta ask you some questions on that first gen over there too. We got a lot of stuff kind of going on right now. Why does Ford put the stupid thing so far back? Oh, what on earth do we have here? A 7.3 with not a drop of oil anywhere. Literally none. No oil anywhere. Don't mind the AC here melting. It's so hot today. But look at this. First things first. No blow-by. Second of all, zero haze. Yeah. Freaking yeah. No idea whatsoever how that motor is in that kind of condition in this unit right here. No idea. Zero idea whatsoever. So what we have is probably one of the cleanest 7.3 motors you can ever have. And on top of that, also turbos. This ain't a non-turbo 7.3. This is a turbo 7.3. Oh, the other side's quite pretty. As you know, the standard Ford rust on this, you know, on these trucks and the wheel wells. Obviously, cab corners completely gone. Doors completely gone. Inner rockers, surprisingly not awful. Surprisingly not awful. That needs a door handle, I think. We can work on that. But the inner rockers, surprisingly, I don't know why both of these back doors don't like to open. Just a little rusty, but trusty there. The rockers, surprisingly not in awful condition. The thing that sucks is, as you guys know, these rockers are piece by piece by piece by piece. So up here, I don't really gotta mess with that. Really, it's just kind of this cab corner section. So we may be able to work it in there somehow, or cut it out and then slide it out. I don't know. But that's not really what I was planning on doing with this truck. But I kind of am very tempted with this truck. Frame, obviously, standard surface rust, not rotted through. It's a pretty clean truck. Drives actually surprisingly well. Oil change, coolant, brakes, and power steering flush maybe. I think that's what I was gonna do. Flush all the fluids, I forget. It's had its days. It's been through a couple things. And like a lot of you were saying, like, what the heck are you doing, Ryan? So with this, there's two ways we could do this. I originally bought it because it's diesel. It's already kind of been beat. Let me jack it way up, throw some 40s underneath it, and use this as a mud truck. Yeah, mud truck. I'm not talking like full, like, chassis thing with the freaking, like, 62-inch tires on it. No, I'm not talking that. I'm talking a standard, like, high school redneck mud truck. If you want me to be honest, I kind of miss those days, and recently I've been missing This was kind of my first truck almost. I had a 2003 5.4 gasser. It was a crew cab short bed, but this truck, and I miss those days, getting out with my buddies, doing fun stuff. Honestly, I miss those days. So I was like, all right, let's jack it up. And because it's already kind of, you know, let's make it a mud truck. But from this angle, this setup, extended cab long bed, oh, almighty, I love this. I freaking love this. It's already ready for a stack if we want to. So mud truck, oh hell yeah, ready to go. But this setup, this unit, I can't get over how good the extended cab long bed looks. I've always wanted a long bed. I love it. Two things, I could go find all the body panels, cab corners, fender, rebuild this truck, and make it pretty. That in itself might be quite the transformation. Also, giant mud truck also would be fun. But in theory, cab corners, I think the inner rockers are pretty chill. Obviously, except in the cab corner section. Find a long bed for 3 doors and 1 fender. And I know somebody out there's got them already and they're looking to sell them. So if you are one of those people, hit me up and we may be able to get something going. Because, like I said, I absolutely love this unit. It literally, F-250, it's a Ford. Haven't been a Ford fan, but we had to go with the best one. And here she is. Like I said, I am absolutely amazed at how clean this thing is. New alternator and just everything else. It's stupid clean. It is stupid clean under the hood. No oil underneath, no leaks. But for a 7.3, that's actually incredible. We got a couple questions for you guys on this. Do we actually go through and restore this the best we can with the parts available? Bed's gonna be hard. It's gonna start to rain here, so I'm gonna make this quick and do all that. Do we actually do that to this truck? I mean, fenders are good, doors are decent. I'll probably get 2 new ones anyway. All the spot welds, we'll get those drilled out and put new fenders on, get new doors, and get the, you know, normal mirrors back on. We'll have to shave the drip rail if we can find a visor. Dope. And I still want to make this a dually. Or do we take this 12 valve motor in this and put it in this C30 camper special? You already know it's kind of on its nuts right now. Alcoa's. This was also a work in progress. So we literally have 2 ways to do this. Fully restore that, keep the motor in this, do the same thing with this, make it, you know, paint job, make it look pretty. Do we sit there and smash the 2 together and put that 12 valve under the hood of this C30, hood stack it, do all that? Or do we find another 12 valve, put it in here, and also do the first gen as well? Yeah, this C30 camper special is looking pretty fresh. These 24-inch Alcoas right now with the adapters and all. Yeah, this is also a unit. But that's kind of where we're stuck right now, is do we actually take the 12 valve out of that, because it's going to be a lot of work. It needs a floor pan, rockers, a bed. It needs a decent amount of stuff to be done to it. Now, I'm not trying to make that a Mecum auction like first gen. However, we might. If we get to pulling the cab off for some reason, if I find a cab, I'm thinking about just doing a whole frame off, clean up the whole engine bay, turbos, the whole 9, and make that a dope first gen truck, powder the frame, probably do all that. Or do we just take what we have, take that 12 valve, put it in here, and I think 5-speed swap it and put it in the C30. Now you see where we're at. Now we have, do we mud truck or restore that? Do we just finish this? Do we finish that? Or do we piece these 2 together, slam the 12 valve in the C30, and take that 7.3 and jack it all the way up and make it a mud truck? We got lots of options here. Lots of options. So guys, before it starts pouring on me, because you can already see it's raining, before it starts pouring on me, please go in the comments below and let me know Let me know what you think of the new unit. Let me know what you think we should do with this unit. And let me know if we should take this unit and combine it with that unit and make an ultimate unit. Or do we just have 3 units? I don't know. I'm gonna need your help on this one. And on top of that, a lot of you were wondering, Eco Diesel giveaway, winner should be getting called soon. Bear with me on that. As the Banana Ram stuff, insurance, you already know how that's happening. It's not. State Farm is quite awful at this, so they're giving me a runaround left and right. That's not even my insurance. The other person's insurance is giving me the runaround. So you know how that's going. So I'm fighting that. And Bronco, that's still on order. That's actually, I think it actually went to production. We think it went to production, and I've got something else on order. I told a few you guys at Daytona, I got something else on order that should be delivered end of July. So that one's gonna be exciting. That one's completely different, and I guarantee you've never seen one before either. So that'll be exciting all around. We got builds for you all summer long. Don't worry about that. So let me know what we should do on the first gen. Let me know what we should do on the C30, and let me know what we should do on the brand new 99.73 Power Stroke. So like I said, guys, we got lots of variety of content. I know a lot of you like the new stuff. You've been asking for old stuff left and right. So literally C30 first gen, and we have our new 99 Power Stroke. Like I said, mud truck it or kind of redo it and make it nice. Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, shoot a thumbs up. If you haven't been here before, please go down there, click subscribe. Take care. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm gonna get inside before it rains. Hopefully you guys are excited about all this stuff coming, because I'm getting that bug again. It took a minute after losing a Banana Ram like that. Like, we did a lot of work to that truck, and for it to just, it hurt. So I'm finally getting back in my groove, and we're gonna start cooking again. And let me know what you want to do, what you want to see rather, on all of these builds. Don't forget, we're also going to be redoing the green truck. We're also going to be redoing this blue 4th gen regular cab, and both of those trucks should be out at SEMA. So let us know in the comments down below. Take care, and I'll see you guys very shortly.